Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Yesterday I had a video about Solana. I was wrong. I thought it could correct a little bit more till we go further upwards, but Solana was so strong that it went to the 100 Tether USD, which was our last price target. Now we have new price targets for Solana. It seems like it is very strong, still strong, and we will be seeing some important things right there. If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe. Also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. So let's go right now and see the next price targets. 105, 110, 115, as you can see, are the next price targets, with the most important being 105 and 113. In case we correct a little bit, we had the first target, you can see the 90 Tether USD, we had the 85. I thought we could go further and further down. And the reason I thought that is because we had top tweezers right here, guys. On the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame, we had top tweezers, means that we correct. But on other platforms, except Binance, we didn't have any top tweezers, okay? So the reason that I was wrong is I thought that we could correct a little bit more. We didn't correct more. Now we are going upwards again, and we want to see whether we have a very high risk around there or not. Let's see the volume. The volume here is increasing again on the 4-hour frame, but in total it is decreasing. You can see the moving average. It is going down and down as we are going upwards. It is going down and down. So the volume right there plays an important role. But at the same time, when we are having a lower volume but a higher price, that doesn't mean that we are going soon down, okay? Because many people think that if volume goes down, then the price will eventually go down, like a bearish RSI divergence, let's say, for example, that when we are having lower highs in the RSI and higher highs in the price, we are going down. It doesn't work with the volume always that way, okay? So let's go to the MACD. On the MACD, you can see that we are totally fine. We are going upwards. What we need to do right now is to surpass this blue line right here. If we go above, guys, if the blue line goes above right there, it would be fantastic for the Solana. Okay, let's go to the risk metrics. You can see now on the common channel index, we are again above the 100. And of course, for the RSI, again above the 70. And for the stochastic RSI, we are going soon into an overbought situation right there. Okay, so on the 4-hour frame, we might be going to 105, and from there we will be seeing if we can go to 115 Tether USD. All right, so we have 2 out of 3 risk metrics, and the most important thing is, on an impulsive wave, what we are looking for is the stochastic RSI. It is the best of the best, okay? So do not worry if the RSI is above the 70, if the common channel index is above the 100. Stochastic RSI is going now above the 100. Let's go to the daily frame. We had a buying opportunity here, and the reason that I was a little bit cautious yesterday is that we didn't have a selling opportunity. But the SSL hybrid was right. We had a buying opportunity. We did not have to sell our position yet. Pretty good, amazing stuff right there from the SSL hybrid. In the Bollinger Bands right now, we just ride the top line of the Bollinger Bands, as you can see, and eventually we want to see on the daily frame that the stochastic RSI is not in an overbought, so we can go further upwards. While all the other indicators are in an overbought situation, the common channel index as well, we are looking at the stochastic RSI, and therefore in the 26th August, that's why we knew that we had an oversold situation right here, and we wanted to buy more, to accumulate more Solana. All right, so therefore let's go a little bit to the MACD. You can see the MACD is looking insane. After the 24th July, we haven't seen a bearish cross yet between the blue line, our MACD line, and the signal line. Let's go to Solana Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. You can see that on the Solana Bitcoin chart, we are just going up all the way. Stochastic RSI now is in an overbought, so we have to be just a little bit careful on the 4-hour frame, right? We might be underperforming against Bitcoin soon, so we have to be a little bit careful. Apart from that, everything looks good, everything looks fine. Not a bearish RSI divergence anywhere on the 4-hour frame, not on the common channel index as well. We just have all of the 3 risk metrics in an overbought situation, and we are looking more the stochastic RSI in these situations right there. Okay, so let's go to Solana Bitcoin chart on the daily frame, and on the daily frame you can see that we are having 2 out of 3 risk metrics again into an overbought situation, but at the same time, the stochastic RSI is not. Does it have to go into an overbought to go down? No, but at least we can grow furthermore, and we do not hold a very high risk for Solana against Bitcoin on the daily frame. All right. Even though on the daily frame we have the RSI above the 70, let's see a little bit the weekly frame. On the weekly frame, guys, as you can see, we have a very high risk. And that's what I want you to realize now, that as long as we are going upwards, please be careful for the midterm, okay? Because as you can see on the weekly frame, we have the stochastic RSI now in an overbought situation. And that is pretty huge right there. We need to be a little bit careful. Commodity channel index in an all-time high right here at 340, around there, okay? Was the highest here for the commodity channel index. Now we are correcting. So right now, just please be a little bit careful as we are going on the midterm for Solana, because eventually a correction will be very healthy, okay? And you should not worry about that. Okay, so right now let's see Solana on the 4-hour frame, and you can see that we have the 110. In case we go upwards, guys, I think we can go there. We can potentially go there to the 110, 120 next price targets for Sol. In case something very bad happens, you know you already know, guys, what to do. You know the support levels. It is the 93. I think here I had, the Fibonacci retracement should be a little bit higher. It was my bad right there. And you can see that the first target is the 110 and the next target, the 120, with the 115 being a little bit okay. It's not a big deal right there. I think we can surpass it easily and go to the 120. For now, the support levels, in case something goes wrong a little bit and we correct a little bit, is the 93 and of course the 88. But for now, we shouldn't be worried about the support levels. For now, we have the next price targets, which is the 110, 115, 120 Tether USD. And why we do not care about Bitcoin is because we just outperform Bitcoin. All right, so therefore that's why we do not care where Bitcoin will go. Does it go down? Does it go upwards? Ethereum against Bitcoin right now is having a little bit of a swing high, but in overall it doesn't look like so good right now. I really hope that we can make even higher and Ethereum starts to outperform Bitcoin. Let's see a little bit the daily frame. On the daily frame, we have an oversold situation. So that's what I am expecting right here, to keep the higher low and to go even higher than these lines right here. Okay, so for Solana, we do not care about that. Next price targets do not include the first minutes of the video. Next price targets are the 110, 115, 120, with some support levels 93 and 88 being at the scene if we go a little bit down. Okay, that's it if we correct a little bit. But for now, next price targets 110, 15 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.